innocuous prayer.
With regard to?
Puja permission, my lord.
Oh, puja permission.
My lord, your lordship has previously passed orders with the same club, the same respondents earlier. My lord, if I may kindly take your lordships through the previous orders which were passed by this honorable court.
You annexed so many photographs.
My lord, that is only with regard to show that we have been performing pujas over there.
From the photographs, can anything be ascertained whether it is of your puja or somebody else's puja?
But my lord, I
can
have annexed
see-
the permissions which were granted earlier.
All right, so these photographs were not required. See these photographs. Who knows which goddess is here from which puja?
I shall keep in mind, my lord, from the next time, my lord. Absolutely.
See photographs of persons, whether this is of which club, which garden, which park, nobody knows. So all these, you are just adding up papers.
My lord, I shall keep
Anyway,
that in mind in the
where
future.
is the permission?
My lord, the permissions, previous permissions, my lord, will kindly take from page 47. The previous
47,
permissions were granted, my lord.
2007, of the year 2007.
Series, my lord, one after
All
the
right.
other, till page 71.
Where is this place?
Well, this is in Bojpuri,
Maheshtala.
my lord, Maheshtala municipality.
All right.
Now, my lord, what has happened, my lord, there's a, I shall give you your lordship, the background of the case, my lord, a public 2000s. In 2017, that public interest litigation was finally decided by the Honorable Justice.
Whoever it is, by the court.
By the court, my lord,
Yes.
division bench, my lord. What
Right.
it was, what was passed, the order of direction was there, my lord. The municipality wanted to raise a construction of a community hall in that children's park. Now, my lord, what was found by the court in that order reflected that this is a refugee rehabilitation land where there's a children's park and it has been recorded as a children's park. Now, my lord, however, the court said that this authorities can always change the nature and character in accordance with law to raise a construction of a community hall there too. Now, my lord, subject to this particular issue, my lord, there has been issues between the club and the local authorities for granting permission. That is the only reason, my lord, for which we had to continuously come before this court ever since 2023. My lord, if me,
has the permission come up?
My lord, this year, no, my lord. I have made application.
The park is still there or construction has been made?
No, my lord. The park is still there. There's a stay order which has been passed now in 2023 by a division bench of this court.
Stay order for?
My lord, for not raising any construction, not
on
to
the
change
park.
the order. I have annexed that order also.
All right.
If your lordship wants.
Yes. No, it's all right then.
My lord, now we have made an application in August for, my lord, July.
And there is no other application from any other authority for conducting puja in the same place?
No, my lord, because it has been, the club has been conducting puja there since, my lord, can see the permissions have been accorded since 2007, my lord. So, my lord, innocuous prayer.
Where did you apply?
My lord, I applied, my lord. I shall, my lord, page 75 and 76. My lord will kindly take. This is before the Poroshava, my lord, the Maheshtala municipality. And my lord, the next is at page 76, my lord. This is also to the chairman. My lord, these applications have been forwarded to the SDO South 24 Parganas as well, which will appear at 79. Serial number 2, my lord. SDO is the licensing authority, as would reflect.
Is the Maheshtala municipality there?
My lordship, for the Maheshtala municipality, Mr. Devashish Kundu Singh.
Yes, I can see.
My lordship, I think so. He's on his leg before courtroom number 1, my lordship.
I can see somebody is there online, Devashish Kundu, trying to join. Isn't it?
Perhaps there's a glitch in the network.
All right.
State. Lordship, we need some instruction from the Maheshtala municipality.
What instruction?
We have not received anything from the Maheshtala municipality, any instruction, my lordship.
Why?
My lordship, we have just received the brief on Friday.
So from Friday to Monday, enough time?
Not received.
Am I audible to your lordship now?
I can hear you.
Not your lordship, not because I believe there's a problem with the link, my lord.
What is your instruction with regard to grant of puja?
There are several instructions, but I would like to personally appear with your lordship. Two things. Firstly is that the main matter, which is the subject matter of the entire episode, is now the final hearing to be done by the division bench on 2nd of September 2025. This matter has been hanging fire for the last 4 years on very false pretext. Now, your lordship has been given to understand that this Kullan Sumiti has been running this, making this puja. Your lordship will see the writ petition. Your lordship will only see the writ petition, and then I'll show your lordship what is the address of the writ petition and the writ petition of the petitioners. Your lordship will see The address is Santoshpur Vastu Unnayan Samiti at Santoshpur. They say that they are now a registered club in the year 2022. Now your lordship will see that they had sought for permission from the SDO and they got permission from the SDO. Your lordship will kindly come to page 67. 67. Now, these are facts which we have coming for the first time, so I will have to take instructions on these issues. Your lordship will see at page 67. That is for the 22. Your lordship will see the address. Unnayan Samiti, Bhatanagar.
So,
65 is at page 65 is Bhatanagar
nice.
and 66 is Noapada. These facts were not brought to your lordship's notice in 2023, which they have. I'm relying on their own documents. So they have not disclosed as to where their club has been registered and what is the correct address. And now, my lord, in the event, my lord, if we succeed on 2nd of September before the Honorable Division Bench, we will be thereafter entitled to construct a community hall. And we are ready to construct the community hall because everything is done. Because of the fact that there is an order of the division bench. And your lordship, may I show your lordship one judgment of the division bench. That is, my lord, my Nana Juna will hand it over to your lordships. Your lordship will see, can he sees the order dated.
The order দেখাচ্ছ সেটা একটু দেখো
11th August 2025. Take down 11th August 2025. WPA P 67/2025. Proshanjit Kaur and others versus Maharashtala Municipality and others. With Santoshpur Udbastu Unnayan Samiti and another versus State of West Bengal and others. WPA P 542/2023.
And there
What
is
does
an
it
earlier
say?
order.
Nothing says. Nothing
No,
is.
no, there is an earlier order. You will see the earlier order.
What do you
earlier
want to? What do you want to drive at?
I want to drive at that. You will see the earlier order. Earlier order is blood 19 June 2025.
What is your submission? I am not able to understand. You want
The
to make a
submission-
community hall over there.
We have been permitted to make a community hall, and therefore, not if a lordship can takes up the earlier order, that will be sufficient for you to your lordship to go to the 2 pages order of Justice Suman Division Bench. This is where we stand as of today.
What does it say? 19th June's order. It simply
Yes.
says that you have not taken steps under the under Section 4C.
Not we. There the Santoshpur Unnayan Samiti, there was an earlier writ petition before we had a coordinate bench. At that point of time, the writ petition was disposed of, wherein the Honorable Division Bench presided over by the Honorable Chief Justice took into consideration that any dispute with regard to the change of classification has to be gone into and challenged not in a PIL, but before the West Bengal Land.
The issue
Madam-
over here is grant of puja permission. Try to understand. This is not an issue regarding construction. It is
May I indicate
temporary
one thing?
nature.
Your lordship can appreciate on 2nd of September. In